If friends you want to get the copper wire, you can order here. Hello, Janelle's for you. Happy to see you. Okay, then if I want to make a piece of the ring that's in a design that can be much for men or for woman, so here let's go. I am going to wrap it here. This is the 1mm. I wrap it in a big size because my finger thick now. Here, wrapper and the wrapper. Here. Okay, this is the way. Then we're going to use the wire 0.4. We use 0.4. Cut. I think if develop the ring, we can make like 100 design of the ring. If you learn the 100 design of the ring, then you develop it to many different colors, and finally you will have a ring shop. Okay. Here, this one. We're going to wave here. Tight. This wave here. This way. Here. The end we're going to cut it. Okay. Here. Is wrapper first, and again, this design, if you got it, you can make a ring for yourself, make a ring for your husband or boyfriend. Here, we're not wave one by one, we wrap all the 5 wire together. Here, then again, 1, Thank you so much, Southern Crabber. Okay. 2 and go slow, tight. Here. This way. Here. Upper. Tight. Here. Wave. Here. So it's a kind of the wave. Go slow. Tight. Here. Thank you so much, Laura. Thank you for your nice help. Okay. Here. This one. Here. Wave. And the wrapper. Wrapper. Hello, Simon. Happy to see you. Okay. Here. Tight. And tight. Piece of the space goes through. Here. Tight. Do you happen to know the tutorial number for the ring you are wearing? tight. And the wave. And the here tight. Here. This one. Wave. Then you are going to have to write the pattern down. It's easier for us to understand. Okay, I write down the pattern and I post it in our group. Yeah. Okay. Here. This way. Here. Tight. Here. It's wave. It take a little bit of time. That this is a wide band, like a big band. Interesting how everyone learns different. Yeah. So here you can try. Here. This. Here. Then again wave. You missed so much. This one have tutorial already, Rondia. You can find the tutorial in the page. Here. Then we will weave the last line. Here. Cut. Go so tight. And the wave. here. Tight and the wave. Here. Okay. So here we're going to cut the wire, the last. So this one. Okay. And the end of the wire, we can just fold it on top. But here I left the wire a little bit short, so I will just going to make a very small piece loop on the surface. Okay, this one. Just fold it on the surface. In next week, I will be go live in another channel, DIY for you handmade, because I've long time not go live there. Okay, so it's this way. Then we just put it back on the ring size stick. Then make the shape nice. Make the ring shape nice here. This one. So it's a ring finish. Yeah. Simple and nice wave is special. You can, if you are love to try, you can try to use steering silver wire to try this design. Steering silver wire make a all metal piece. So we